Hello friends, welcome to my mom's very chaotic garage. If your garage looks the same, then welcome, and if not, oh well. We like to collect things here and save things. So today I am going to teach you as a beginner how to change out your blade in your circular saw. This is obviously a Craftsman, so I'm going to be using a Craftsman, all Craftsman products at this moment. But in general the same. This is a 20-volt battery that goes in there. Do not have the battery in there while you change it, because you want to keep all your fingers. Okay, so I am going to mostly be operating like this. You can watch along. So as soon as I took this out, I believe that construction should be like IKEA furniture, and it's not. It's not all super intuitive, and so when I was looking at some of the buttons and the levers and how I could possibly get this blade in there, it was not intuitive. It is the opposite of intuitive as for safety. There's lots of safety features and precautions. So I'm going to tell you how to work around all of those, not work around, work with them to be able to do this. So make sure you can see. I'm going to do my best to angle it at you. So the saw goes in there. Obviously there are a lot of obstacles between here and there. All right, so I just got this out of the box, and it's got this washer on it, this plastic cardboard washer. So this is reverse threaded, meaning it's not going to go the normal, I'm screwing up clockwise and counterclockwise, but the way you would normally screw in and out, it's actually the opposite. Again, safety precaution. And it comes with this little Allen wrench right here, and you would simply take this and loosen it. And again, it's going to go the opposite way. So normally it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and it is the exact opposite. You can actually end up running your finger to get it out. So you get this out, you're going to take this off. And there's also a washer right here, which this is to press between the blade and the screw. Washers, that's what washers do, is protect and create an extra barrier. So the hardest part about this, there is a button here to hold. That is what's going to allow you to get in here. Actually, I might be lying. That didn't stop me. So we're just going to keep rolling. This is the trickiest part. So I just practiced this before hitting record. Getting this blade in around the, this is the guard. So the guard is what will move out of the way as you run along the wood. It will do that on its own. This is what protects you from really cutting all your fingers off. So you really want that guard. Okay. I am going to tighten this so it's not moving on us and see if that works. So you're going to pull this open. This is really a little bit of trial and error. Two reasons. One, it's a super tight fit. And then you're holding something that's really sharp. So you just want to be super careful. Do not forget that you are holding something sharp, obviously. So you have to do some maneuvering and get it to fit underneath this point and underneath this point. And you're going to do a little bit of shimmying, and then it will fit here, okay? Then I am going to loosen this back up on this side. This is what causes this to go up and down right here. Okay, so I move that again, just so I have a little bit of room for my fingers. Replacing the washer first, bolt second. I'm gonna tighten that mostly with my hand. And then from there, take that wrench again, and you are going to tighten that. And you need to obviously get that tightened. Sorry, we live in a small town and people like to come visit, so you might hear that talking. You just go ahead and tighten that, re-tighten that. You got your blade. Now you are going to take your battery to test it, and here is the safety lever for the blade and the trigger underneath. So you're going to hit the safety, and then I think my battery is not charged, so we're gonna have to try that again later, or maybe this one is. I kind of messed that up. So let's see. I do have, the battery, or excuse me, the saw itself does not come with a blade, oh my gosh, the saw itself does not come with a battery. The drill did. So let's test this out. You're gonna have a hand here, Oh yeah, baby. So that is that. We are all situated, and you would be able to slice up whatever you want. So quick and easy, 5 minutes, broke a little sweat. I'll see you on the other side. Keep tuning in. If this was really helpful, be sure to subscribe. I also teach you how to use a Craig jig. I'm also going to teach you how to convert an entire van. So stay tuned for my 2020 van conversion Ford Transit. It's going to be fun. It's going to be interesting. Coming soon.